Hello everyone, I'm Anita Ramesh, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today I'm here to discuss about the framework introduction to MVC design pattern, django evolution. Overview of web framework. A web framework is a software toolkit designed to simplify the development of web applications and services by providing a structured environment for building, deploying, and maintaining web projects. It offers a collection of pre-built components, libraries, and tools that handle common web development tasks such as routing HTTP requests, managing databases, processing user input, and rendering user interface. These frameworks often follow architectural pattern like model view controller or model view template to separate concerns and promote organized modular code. Continue out for your web framework by offering features like authentication, templating engines, and form handling of the box. Web frameworks reduce the amount of repetitive coding required. They also support best practices and standards for security, performance, and scalability. Popular web frameworks include Django for Python, Ruby for Rails for Ruby, and Laravel for PHP, each tailored to different programming languages and development philosophies. Frameworks are continuously updated to incorporate modern web technologies, improve user experiences, and address emerging challenges in the web development. Their use can accelerate development cycles, foster collaboration among developers, and create robust, maintainable web applications. Introduction to MVC design pattern. The model view controller design pattern in Django is implemented as a model view template pattern, a slight variation where the template serves the role of the view in traditional MVC. In Django, the model defines the data structure and business logic representing the application's data and database schema through Django's ORM. The view processes user enter input and interacts with models to fetch or modify data, returning the appropriate response. The template is responsible for rendering the data to the user in a formatted way, typically through HTML. This separation of concerns promote organized, modular, and maintainable code, facilitating easier updates and scaling. Advantages of MVC design patterns are scalability and maintainability. The modular nature of MVC makes it easier to scale and maintain the application. Changes in one part of the application can be made with minimal impact on others. Reusability. Components such as models and view can be reused across different parts of the application, reducing redundancy and effort. Testability. Each component can be tested independently, which simplifies unit testing and helps ensure higher code quality. Clear structure. The clear structure of MVC applications makes easier to understand, which is beneficial for onboarding new developers or collaborating in teams. Consistency. Enforcing a standard design pattern across the application ensures consistency, making the code base more predictable and reduce the risk of errors. Disadvantages of an MVC design pattern are complexity. The separation of concerns can introduce complexity, particularly for small projects, where the overhead of managing three separate components may not be justified. Steep learning curve. For beginners, understanding and implementing MVC can be challenging, requiring a grasp of the web work and design principles. Overhead. The need to manage multiple components and their interactions can lead to increased development time and efforts, especially for simpler applications. Tight coupling. Despite the aim for separation, there can be a tight coupling between the components, making changes in one part potentially affect others. Debugging difficulties. Tracing issues across the three layers can be more complex compared to a simpler, more monolithic design. Django evolution. Django, a high-leveled Python-based framework, was first released in 2005 by Adrian Hogarty and Simon Williamson to simplify web development with a focus on efficiency and ease of use. Django 1.0 arrived in 2008 as the first stable release, offering features like a powerful ORM, templating engine, and an automatic admin interface. In the following years, Django 1.2 to Django 1.4 introduced features such as custom user models, enhancing testing framework, and support for multiple database backends. Django 1.5, released in 2013, allowed developers to create custom user models, providing greater flexibility for authentication system. Continue. Django 1.10, released in 2016, brought the channels framework, enabling real-time features like WebSockets. Django 2.0 in 2017 marked a significant milestone by dropping Python 2 support and introducing a modularized URL routing system. Django 3.0, released in 2019, embraced asynchronous views and the ASGI interface for handling real-time web functionalities. The Django 3.2 LTS version in 2021 offered long-term system with improvements like JSO and field for all databases and enhanced performances. Django 4.0, released in late 2021, continued to evolve with features like improved security, better template handling, and more developer-friendly tools. The framework remains a leading choice of web development, continuously adapting to modern needs and technology. Conclusion. The MVC design pattern offers a structured approach to the building scalable and maintainable applications by separating concerns into distinct components, models, views, and controllers. This separation enhances code organization, facilitates parallel development, and support easier testing and maintenance. However, it also introduces challenges such as increased complexity, a steep learning curve, potential performance overhead, and debugging difficulties. While MVC is highly effective for large scale and complex applications, it may be less suitable for smaller projects where the overhead of multiple components overweights its benefits. Ultimately, the decision to use MVC should be based on the specific needs and scale of the application being developed. Thank you.